Behind me, we have a 3-lot assembly right between Pandosy, near the hospital, close to downtown, and here are the details of what's possible. IHS Design has put together a concept which suggests that on the 0.63 acres, we can have a 6-story building here. The potential for future growth and redevelopment in the area is guided by the hospital area plan, the 2040 official community plan, and the 2040 transportation master plan. So what this means is that this whole neighborhood is a prime location, close to the lake, close to the hospital. Cottonwoods is right behind us. It's a great health district, and it's going to be awesome for people to live, work, and play in this neighborhood. I'm Stephanie Gilchrist at Coldwell Banker Horizon Realty. Give me a call if you have any questions, and I'll walk you through this project.